In this video, let us work on these three proofs related to product to sum and sum to product formula application. So if you already know how to solve these questions, please pause the video and you can give it a try yourself. Also, please share the channel with your friends so that it's useful to them too. Let's start with the first one now. In the first one, we have to prove that sin A plus sin 3A plus sin 5A plus sin 7A divided by cos A plus cos 3A plus cos 5A plus cos 7A. This is equal to tan 4A. So we are going to apply the sum to product formula. But before we do that, let's understand what we actually need. So the resultant value should be equal to 4A. So if we have observed the formula, for example, sin C plus sin D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 and cos of C minus D by 2. So we have to look for a grouping which will give you C plus D value or C minus D value as 8A by 2, which is equal to 4A. So what we can do is, let us group sin A and sin 7A together and sin 3A and sin 5A together. Similar way, let's apply the same logic to the denominator for all the cosine values. So we will rewrite this question as sin A plus sin 7A plus sin 3A plus sin 5A, this whole thing divided by cos A plus cos 7A plus cos 3A plus cos 5A. Now let's apply the formula sin C plus sin D. So the first part will be 2 sin A plus 7A by 2 and cos of A minus 7A by 2, then plus 2 sin 3A plus 5A by 2 and cos of 3A minus 5A by 2, and the whole thing divided by, now cos C plus cos D, the formula is 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos of C minus D by 2. So when we are applying that, we will get 2 times cos of A plus 7A by 2 and cos of A minus 7A by 2 plus 2 times cos of 3A plus 5A by 2 and cos of 3A minus 5A by 2. Now let's simplify this equation. So the first part that we can simplify is cancelling all the 2's. So they go away, and then this can be changed to sin 4A and cos of, this is A minus 7A, which is minus 6A by 2, so minus 3A, and cos of minus x is cos x. So we can write this as cos 3A. Then plus, this will be sin 4A times, this is again 3A minus 5A, which is minus 2A divided by 2. So cos of minus A is cos A. Now the denominator, we would get cos 4A times again cos of 3A, because cos of minus 3A is cos 3A. This would be plus cos 4A times cos A. Okay. Now in the numerator we have sin 4A as common, and in the denominator we have cos 4A as common. So let's write them separately. So numerator would be cos 3A plus cos A, and denominator again would be cos 3A plus cos A. So we can cancel this out. So our final value would be tan 4a. So this is how we can group the required values here, so that we can cancel out a few things and easily get to the proof. Now let's try the second one. In the second question, we have to prove that this equation on the left hand side, when we simplify this, we would get cot of 6a times cot of 5a. So there are two parts to this question. The first thing that we observe is this is of the format cos a times cos b in the numerator, and the denominator, the format is sin a times sin b. So we know the formula for 2 times cos a cos b, that is cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, and 2 times sin a sin b, this is equal to cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. Now to get to the format of 2 cos a cos b and 2 sin a sin b, let us multiply and divide this numerator with 2. So the question can be rewritten as 2 cos 2a cos 3a minus 2 cos 2a cos 7a plus 2 cos a cos 10a, and the denominator would be all the terms multiplied by 2. So 2 sin 4a sin 3a minus 2 sin 2a sin 5a plus 2 sin 4a and sin 7a. Now let's apply the formula. So the numerator would change to, for the first term would change to cos of a plus b cos of a plus cos of a minus b. So this would be cos 5a plus cos of a minus b, which is 2a minus 3a, and cos of minus a is cos a, minus the second part would be cos 9a plus cos 5a. Again 2a minus 7a is minus 5a, so cos of minus x is cos x. That's what I'm applying throughout this format, plus 2 times, this will be plus cos 11a plus cos 9a. Okay, that is our numerator. Now let's solve the denominator. It is cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So this will be cos a minus cos of a plus b is cos 7a minus cos 3a minus cos 7a, and the last term is plus cos 3a minus cos 11a. Okay, now we have the numerator and denominator. Let's see what variables can be cancelled out. So we have cos 5a and minus cos 5a here. Also we have minus cos 9a and plus cos 9a. So the numerator would change to cos a plus cos 11a. So that is the numerator. Now in the denominator we have minus cos 7a and minus of minus cos 7a. So this will be plus. So we can cancel this out. And minus cos 3a and plus cos 3a. So that can be cancelled out. So the denominator would change to cos a minus cos 11a. Okay, now this is of the format cos c plus cos d. So here let's apply the formula, which is 2 cos c plus d by 2 and cos of c minus d by 2. So this will change to cos of a plus 11a by 2 and cos of a minus 11a by 2. And the denominator is cos C minus cos D, which is unique, which has a unique formula, which is 2 sine C plus D by 2 and sine of D minus C by 2. So this is one unique thing we have to keep in mind. So let's apply that. So this will be 2 sine C plus D is a plus 11a by 2 and sine of D minus C. Now it is 11a minus a by 2. So here we can cancel out the 2 and numerator will be cos of 6a times cos of 5a. Denominator would be cos of 5a, because cos of minus 5a is 5a. So then denominator would be sine 6a times sine 5a. Okay, so this is nothing but cos by sine. It is cot 6a, and again the next variable again is cos a 5a by sine 5a, which is cotangent of 5a. So this is how we can apply two versions of the formula. The first version of the formula we applied is converting product into sum and difference, and the second version of the formula we applied is this one, where we are converting sum or difference into products. So please practice more and more problems like this, where you can keep interchanging the values. We have a lot of questions already solved in the previous videos. Watch them, and also make sure you maintain a list of formulas so that it's easy to apply. Let's try the next one now. Now the third one is a unique problem where we don't have any terms in the format of cos C plus cos D, where we can apply the formula. So how do we solve such kind of questions? Here we have to adjust the variables so that we arrive at a format of cos C plus cos D, where we can apply the formula of cos of C plus D by 2 and cos of C minus D by 2. So how do we do that? Now let's observe the numerator and see what we can split so that we can change this to cos C plus cos D. So we can write the numerator again as cos 6x plus cos 4x plus 5 cos 4x and plus 15 cos 2x can be written as 5 cos 2x plus 10 cos 2x plus 10. Now let the denominator be as it is. Let's focus on the numerator. Now we have the format of cos C plus cos D, and here if we consider 5 as a common parameter, we have cos C plus cos D. But in the last variable we don't have cos C plus cos D. But if we consider this to be 10 times 1, and if we write this as, so 1 can be written as cos of 0x, because cos 0 is 1. Now here if we consider 10 as common, again we have cos C plus cos D. So our numerator would change to cos 6x plus cos 4x plus 5 times cos 4x plus cos 2x plus 10 times cos 2x plus cos 0x. And this whole thing divided by cos 5x plus 5 cos 3x plus 10 cos x. Okay, now let's apply the formula cos C plus cos D. It is 2 cos C plus D by 2. So 6x plus 4x by 2. So that would be 5x, and cos C minus D by 2, 6x minus 4x by 2, which is cos x, plus 5 times. Now again it is 2 cos 3x times cos x plus 10 times. Now cos C plus cos D by 2, so this is 10 times cos x, and 2x minus 0x by 2, again cos x. Okay, and this whole thing divided by cos 5x plus 5 cos 3x plus 10 cos x. Now we have 2 cos x common in all the variables. So 5 can be written as 2 times 5. So let's consider 2 cos x as a common factor. So this would be cos 5x plus 5 cos 3x plus we have, so this is 2 times 2 cos, right? So this would be 10 cos x divided by cos 5x plus 5 cos 3x plus 10 cos x. Now if you observe, we can cancel these two parts in the equation and we would remain with only one variable, which is 2 times cos x. So this is a unique problem that we solve now. Please try to watch it again so that you can apply it in different problems. We will solve more complex problem in the future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.